My car that got away, I found out at a dealership for $1,200. I had to put a new clutch in it. It was a 1987 Dodge Daytona Shelby Z. It was teal, like the color on the screen. Body style was just like the one being shown. Had a turboed 2.2 inline 4. Somebody had put a 3-inch exhaust on it, did a tune on it. A few other little things. These things were rockets. Once you did a few things to them, they really sped them up. So anyway, I had a very big rule in my car that you did not start stuff with other people, because my car stood out and I was always driving around. So I didn't want to have to deal with their bullshit when they weren't even with me anymore. So anyway, we're driving down the road one day and the car in front of me brake checks me. I'm really not in a hurry. Didn't think much about it the first time. Goes up a couple hundred feet, does it again. This time he pulls into the driveway. As we go around him, one of the guys in the back seat flips the guy the bird, and then we keep going. The guy backs out, starts following us. He's got his lights flashing, he's beating his horn, all kinds of crazy shit. So I pull over into one of the side roads. Figure I got 4 guys with me and a lady. He's going to see how many people's with me. It's going to be a little bitch session, and then, we'll go on about our days. Well, I go to get out. I tell everybody to stay in the car unless things really go down. And I look up as I'm getting out, and the guy's got a gun in his hand. Everybody starts yelling, gun, gun, gun. So I jump back in the car and I take off. I get onto a main road. No, I don't want to stay on our main road, so hop on a side street. I end up going down the one way the wrong way. So I turned down the alley. It was all gravel. I went around like a bend, and I just punched it. All of a sudden, I caught air. Came down, there was a manhole sticking up. I hear a bunch of just loud banging and a crunching. The car pulls to the left. I take out 40 feet of fence. We're stuck. Oh crap, I check on everybody. Nobody's complaining yet. So I jump out, and I look, and the car is wasted. It ripped out the A-frame, broke the transmission, all kinds of stuff. Just fluids going everywhere. Across the street, from this little park that this happened at, on the road going the wrong way, the guy pulls up. Still got his gun in his hand. Points at us, he laughs, puts his gun away, and leaves. So anyway, the cops show up. They're asking everything that's going on. My buddy's wife ended up having to go to the hospital because of her neck. So anyway, the 2 cops ended up letting me know that the guy was a Toledo Police Department detective. They filed the paperwork, and I ended up going about 2 weeks later back up because I had gotten his license plate number. I didn't have it originally, and they couldn't find my paperwork. Go figure. He's a detective. Where did that paper land? So I go ahead and refile it. Then a few days later, I'm sitting in my bedroom, got my girlfriend laying beside me, and a light shines in, goes from her back down to her butt. I jump up, throw on my boxers, take off, come around, the front of the house, and it's 2 cops. One cop looks back at me and says, "Nice ass." So anyway, a few more things happened, and I decided that, it was time to leave Toledo before, something serious goes on, because they got a little pushy there for a minute. So I ended up going to Cedar Point, and that is where I met my wife at, which is a whole nother story in itself. There's a few more things that happened in all this. I kind of shortened it up because this video is really not that long. But it's still an interesting story. I have kept that second report just in case I ever need it. You guys have a blessed day. Check out my friends down in the descriptions. Appreciate everybody. Have a good day.